Hey guys, today I want to show how to create a condition and how to use if statements in Python. So first step is to create this notebook. Need to open the Anaconda and here need to launch the Jupyter notebook and when opened here in the browser here need to create a new file, new notebook in Python 3. So by click to the new and the new notebook, and here will be this notebook. So the Python supports the usual condition. So so this condition can be used in several ways. So this most commonly in if statements and loops. How to write if statements? Need to so to write this need to write the if keywords. For example, if you has a variable with e is equal to and b is equal, for example, 1, and if b is greater than e, um, print b is greater than e. Yeah, and if we run, yeah, here need to write this, and if you reopen and if you uh, run, so the condition will be b is greater than 1. So this b is 1. So if you change the b to 2 and a to 1, if you run, we write e, b is greater than a. So this is a condition. In the Python, um, it has a elif keywords, and this is if the previous condition were not true, then try this condition. For example, if b is greater than e, print this, and elif when b is less than e, print b is less than e. And if you run, and if you change this value, b is less than e, because it's the first condition will be a false, because b is not greater than e, and the second condition will be the true and will print this text. So it has else, for example. So else print is equal and B are equal. If you change to this, so this will be equal. So in the Python, it has AND keyword. For example, when E is 2, B is 1, and for example the C is 3, if E is greater than B and C is greater than E, print for example this condition is true. I need to write this. So E is greater than B because E is 2 and B is 1, and C is 3 and E is 2, so 3 is greater than 2. So this condition is true and this print this. If you change this B, for example, to 5, it is nothing because this condition is false. Yeah, and if you change to AND to OR and open, so this condition, if E is greater than B, so this condition is false, or C and C is greater than E, so this is true, and the output will be this text. So thank you for watching.